Up to $400 per day. I mean, how awesome is that? This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. As you can see, typing 1 page's names news $15, 5 pages contain $75 in 320 pages a day. Can you $300? The best part is that there are no restrictions. Image type as much as you like and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone, on your computer, and since I will be free and available or all over the world to watch this video on the way to the end to avoid missing out on the sign up process. It is actually rather the people in. Most people get it incorrectly. This video, welcome to the money earning idea, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money on my ideas, tips and tricks to get subscribers channel, and hit the like button and prosper notification well that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to read the comment down below into the video. Now you can see that by using the calculator on this website we can estimate how much money you can make from this opportunity to the rate at which is the amount of money you can get paid over that you type. In this case 25 in US dollars in one plate usually has around 300. For example, project here is page number 1. In this type the name for jacket here is page number 2, and this type the name project is page number 3. On each of these pages you can get paid some 3 by entering names. Let me now show you on this page where you can truly get paid $50 for writing 300 words, as it shows the total of the 300 names. Meaning you can earn $50 in 300 words per page by simply typing names on this website. This is a fantastic opportunity to make money. We can receive up to 20 B pattern at $15 per page, which means you can easily earn $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. I want to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment for any money to get started. When you scroll down below you can actually see the different opportunities to work from home, including online trading jobs, freelance working, language translation and online paid surveys on many different jobs if you can do but right. On this video we're going to calculate on online typing jobs, because this is one of the simplest things you can do on this website and it requires no experience for technical error. Now take this, you can $13500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. Now for the joining fees, you can see here that the registration is absolutely free and there are no hidden currents before or after joining and beyond. Ask about investment review on any stage. This is absolutely free and worldwide opportunity. Depending on what level you are, you get a different amounts of brick, ranging from beginners over up to the experts. You can still hear that even if you're a complete beginner you can actually get paid or not expert level. Before we go, when you after some time is subscribe the channel and give you a big thumbs up if you love the video that work, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We would love to hear it have to say. It's not have to get back to work and earn some money. In here is the first bonus. Simply including names online can help you in a battery. Please go to the website ratatype.com. Basically it is the homepage of this website where you can take off free typing tests. Centuries is the website homepage where you can take up free typing test. After that I want to click on the yellow icon right here and you'll be taken to this page. You may start typing on your phone or computer. I like you take this free typing exam. This website will provide you with a typing certificate. You can receive the certificate for free, and the reason need one is it will increase your income and running race page. For example, if you want to run $15 for every single page 3 type, make sure you get the certificate. This is the ultimate secret. It is even if you are completely never have the certificate to prove to them that you can't hype, you be accepted much faster. Free application on tabletdesire.com. Now when you start typing on this website, it will calculate how many words we can type 5 minutes, as well as your curious, including whether you have any spelling or typing error. As you can see here that it should be between 1988 and 99.99%. The higher you receive, the more money on one. By taking a typing test for certificate from this website, you can demonstrate book you happy speed and accuracy, which will quickly increase your payout rate. If your curious is less than 98% don't have, you can go back to the website wheretype.com and take the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Now want to write a satisfactory results email? Sign up for a free quote by throwing down and clicking on this line. Practical. You can make a free account by entering your email address, and so go ahead and secretarial find a person after agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then when you scroll down below and click on the certificate, you see that it was awarded to your name for typing in English, and even show you the product type to come signature to verify that the certificate is built. This certificate is actually quite beneficial to you, can be paid at a considerably higher rate than actually. Click on this front button right here when you scroll. Then again, I don't worry, you can do this on your computer or on your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is CDMA your certificate or save it as PDF file. Just click on the save button to head to 000.com. Once your brain is difficult to, you can start find what is job. When you get the bottom of this website, click the red button that says apply now and you be taken this page. You can begin applying for jobs. Then simply scroll down to see WhatsApp backup tools in application. After that will proceed to this page for you can pull out an online application for work at home jobs by clicking on this reading cricket. I want you scroll down and look for this thread. Necklaces. Fill in your details to buy and work with us. If you can find the registration page, make sure you view the video game as you can bookmark or save it to your playlist and watches later. When you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you see that you be filling in your personal information. Processing you need to do is accept the privacy policy, then type in your first and last names as well as your email address, phone numbers and country. Then click the down arrow. People from all over the world, countries across India, Nigeria, Philippines, United Kingdom, United States of America, Pakistan, as well as other nations. On to the next stage. This is basically all about your professional information, and it is a very important section that most people get grant. Now I want you to enter in the job viral section. Make you should I quit job title exactly like this one, and then choose what time is ideal for you next week of the down arrow right here, and you can choose any time you like to recommend. All there because it will provide you with more options in jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then using the down arrow here, select the best message for senior and its people 3-year while transfer or direct deposit. Now scroll down below to see and choose to provide professional status. Once you fill out all the details, click yes Edward and accept the statement about, and don't forget to signature to support your phone. Am right and click on I am not a robot, and then click the submit button. Once you've been accepted, give construct receiving typing name jobs such as this one for you can I add $15 for just 300 words, and their sisters one page, and then another $15 for the second page, and another $15 for the third page. You can 15 hours every single page that you type, but make sure you submit it Robinson to keep receiving more and more tailored office. In that if you have similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please match the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit notification bell. If you have further questions, you can on it, and you will see you in the next video.